I'm going to show you a nice simple way to do a blue sky with some fluffy clouds. I'm going to wet the area first with some clean water, and I'm going to use cerulean blue. So there we go, get it on the paper. It's rather warm here today, so I've got to work quite quickly. And then with some absorbent towel, simply dab off. However you like. And then with a round brush, this is a number 8, I'm just going to see to push out a little bit more to get a stronger shape. See if I can, yeah, lovely. I say it's very dry and I've got a fan on because it's so hot. And of course clouds are never solid, are they? All one mass of white, as it were. They often have different shading. Let's turn the paper round, and I'm going to push that a bit more, get a little bit more off, and here as well. Oops, and I've managed to splatter paint everywhere. And of course you can add a little bit more colour. It's always darker higher up. So if you wanted to, you could, while it's still wet, come down and just make a few more shapes. Maybe go back in and break it up. So there we go. Some very simple, quick, white fluffy clouds on a blue sky. Just have a little play with it. Do use yourself some little sample cards, little small areas. I mean, look how big that is, not big at all, and have a practice. But that is really rather pleasing. So, fluffy clouds on a blue sky. I hope you enjoy that.